welcome back to my channel. My name is Julia. I recently ordered a whole bunch of K-beauty items online and they finally got here yesterday. So I thought that this would just be a really good time to do a little unboxing for you guys, a little haul. So if you're interested in seeing what kind of products I purchased, just keep on watching. So this is the box. This is not the biggest box that I've received. By the way, I've received bigger boxes from Olive & Young. So this is a very normal sized haul for me, to be honest. So for those of you who don't know what Olive & Young is, it's basically like an Ulta or Sephora, but based in Korea. If you're in Asia, it's kind of like a Watson's. And they carry a bunch of different skincare and makeup brands. They even carry like snacks and foods. So this is my go-to place for all of my skincare and beauty products. And I've been buying from them for, I want to say like over a year. So this is like my 5th or 6th order from them. And I really love the quality and how fast it gets here. It typically takes 1 to 2 weeks and I'm currently located in New York. All right, enough talking. Let's open this baby up. Wow! So I love Olive & Young, but if there's one thing that I don't really like is their packaging. Typically, all of the packages come in layers of bubble wrap, and I understand that they want to prevent the products from being damaged in transit, but this is just a lot. Okay, so in this order, I purchased quite a lot of different things. I purchased some skincare, some hair care, some makeup, and also some miscellaneous things. So let's just start off with skincare. So the first thing I purchased was this Round Lab Tok Tok toner. And this is actually a refill. This is like my 4th time buying this toner. I absolutely love it. This toner is just really easy to use. It's really hydrating. It makes my skin very supple, and after I use this toner, it just feels like, you know, my skin's already really refreshed and it's just ready and clean to apply products on. This is actually my first time purchasing it in the 500 milliliter bottle, just because every single time I finish a toner, I'm like, oh, I want to try something different next time, but somehow I'm always drawn back to purchasing and repurchasing this one. It's just so good. Next up, I purchased this Round Lab Cleansing Duo. It comes with a cleansing oil and a foam face wash. So like I said previously, I really enjoyed using the Round Lab toner, so I was on the market for a new facial cleanser and I wanted to try more products from this brand, so I just picked this one up. This one had quite a lot of good reviews, so I'm actually super excited to try this out. Next up, I got this calming essence from Goodall. I think that's how you pronounce it. So I actually used to use the SK2 essence. I actually went through 2 bottles of that and I didn't really see or feel any changes on my skin, and that shit was really expensive, so I just stopped using essences for a while, but I want to get back into it, and I read a lot of good reviews about this, and it was also at a fraction of the price, so I'm really excited to try this one out as well. Next, we have another product from the Goodall brand, which I cannot pronounce, and it is this vitamin C dark spot serum. So I just finished using up a bottle of the Klairs vitamin C serum, which I didn't specifically love or hate. It was meh, but I was on the lookout for a new one, and this one had a lot of good reviews on the website, and a lot of people said that it helped with their acne scars and it helped brighten up their skin, so hopefully I can see those results after I use this as well. So last up for skincare stuff, we have 2 freebies. So this is what I love about Olive & Young too, is that they always do promotions and they always give me something for free. And this time around, it's actually really good. They gave me a pack of free masks and then also some samples of some Goodall products. I don't know how to pronounce this brand. So the first freebie item is this pack of Dr. Jart masks. This is the Vital Hydra Solution masks, and I've actually purchased this multiple times, so it was really great just receiving them for free. I actually have a pack of these in my fridge right now, so I really like these masks. They're super hydrating, and I just love Dr. Jart masks in general, so this was a pleasant gift to receive. And then the second freebie is this Goodall Calming Duo Kit. This little pouch just comes with a travel size of that calming essence that I just purchased and also a calming mask. So this would just be really good for when I need to travel. So up next, I purchased a couple of makeup products. The first one is this Colorgram Talk Artist Formula Brow Pencil. I got this in the shade Deep Brown, which is number 3. And I don't know, I guess I would say this is also kind of like a repurchase. I got the slimmer version of this brow pencil before and I used all of it and I actually really loved it. But I wanted to try out like a thicker pencil just because I like the thicker eyebrow look. So I just got the same pencil formula but in a different shape. Alright, so looking at the beauty products that I purchased this time around, they're all from Colorgram Talk. I don't know if it's because I actually wanted to purchase them or if it's because like I was heavily influenced by True Beauty to purchase them. And if you guys don't know what True Beauty is, it's a Korean drama that recently aired and Colorgram Talk and Olive & Young were both sponsors for that show. In my defense though, I've bought Colorgram Talk before the show aired, so there's that, but I digress. So the second makeup product that I purchased was this cream liner, again from Colorgram Talk, and I got this in the color Gold Harmony. So since it is in a lighter and more shimmery color, I'm imagining using this like right under my eye most of the time to kind of give it like a little pop. And the last makeup product I got is this Colorgram Talk Milk Bling Shadow. This name is really cute. I got this in the color Double Star, and I think I tried to get this like last time around like 2 months ago, but it was all sold out because of True Beauty. So I finally got my hands on this. I wanted this color specifically because I think it's one of the more wearable colors for me. It still is really, really sparkly, but I think this will be a really fun summer item to play with. So next up we have hair care products. I got 2 products from the same brand called misc. Alright, these brand names are just going to like be the death of me, but I got this perfect serum from them. Oh, it smells so good. So I actually purchased a couple of hair masks from this brand before because I saw Jennie from Blackpink's face on those hair masks. So I had to get it, and if my hair can end up looking like hers, it would be a very good life. Usually in the past I've just been using like argan oil from CVS. This is also argan oil I think, but I don't know, maybe this one will be a bit different and maybe it'll be better for like thinner Asian hair, so we will see. And then the next hair care product is this 3-minute salon hair mask that I purchased from the same brand as well. And apparently like this one, you just like wash your hair as normal in the shower and you put this on and you wait like 3 minutes and you can like wash it off. And apparently it's supposed to give you like healthier and shinier and salon-like hair. So this is a lot of promises for a 3-minute product, but hopefully it works. Alright, so this last product that I purchased from Olive & Young is actually quite random, but I keep seeing it on their top 100 products list, so I just wanted to give it a try, and it is this LactoFit probiotic drink. It comes with 30 sticks, and apparently it's supposed to help with digestion and also dieting, and I know there's like a huge diet culture in Korea. I've always wondered like how the girls there are so skinny. So maybe this is the solution. So a lot of people left in the review section that the purple one tastes the best and that it really helps them with their diet and like it works. And currently I'm in preparation for hot girl summer, as you all know, so hopefully this also works for me. So that is everything for the Olive & Young portion of this haul. Up next, I wanted to quickly share with you guys some items that MBX sent over to me. They were previously known as Mimi Box, and by the way, this part is not sponsored and they didn't ask me to do this. They're just like a Korean skincare and beauty company as well, and so I thought that it was just relevant to loop those products in to share with you guys. So I already tried some of the products but not all of them yet, and so far I've been really loving this Kaja Beauty Bento, and this one is in the shade Orange Blossom. So it comes with 3 eyeshadow shades and they're all super sparkly and super cute, so really nice sparkle accents from this one. Also from Kaja Beauty, they sent me the Wink stamp. So this one's really cool because there's one that like will help you draw your eyeliner and then one that will stamp your wing for you. So I thought this was super creative and super cute. And then they sent me 2 skincare sets. This one is from their I Do Care brand, and this is the Kitten My Balance On set. So it comes with a cleanser, purifying serum, and it comes with a clay mask as well. So I've only actually tried the cleanser. So this was actually my first time trying any sort of skincare with CBD ingredients in it. And so I was a little hesitant, but I actually really liked the cleanser. It was really soothing and calming, and you know, I'm excited to try the other 2 as well. And lastly, they sent me this skincare set from Noonie, which includes a hand soap, cleanser, and face moisturizer. So haven't been able to try this one out yet, but the packaging is super, super cute. And that is a wrap for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this skincare and makeup content, and if you guys did, please make sure to leave me a comment down below, like, and subscribe. As always, everything in this haul will be linked down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!